All right, honestly, how cool was that? And here's the good news. You can easily make it at home. Don't even overcomplicate it in your mind. All you need is one of these guys, 00 flour, of course you need eggs, and just some olive oil. Don't even overcomplicate it in your mind. It's very, very easy. Now, for those of you who do have this machine already, I have a challenge for you. Why don't you go ahead, make those pastas, just like the ones we saw in the video, colorful, beautiful pastas using some colors, beet juice or whatever, and then take a photo, post it in the comments below. Now, if you excuse me, I have some pasta to make.